After A, it's a letter B. B. B, ba. Baby bee, mama bee. B letter, ball, ball, ball. B letter, do not fall. B, Bashir. Ball. B for banana. B for bag. B for barber. Now I am going to tell you a story about Babar and Bashir. Babar and Bashir were brothers. It was Sunday morning and they decided to go for a walk. They walk and after that they play with the ball. Finally they got very tired and hungry. Babar took out the banana from the bag and shared it with his brother. B for banana. Ball. Brother. Mama bee, baby bee. Banana. B for butterfly. Boy. Ball. घर में आप अपने लेटर बी की प्रैक्टिस करें.